Mga oras na to is the only time that sa amin ang mami namin. All her life, she's devoted to the public, to her work, and so kahit ilang araw sa amin lang siya.
Gayunpaman, labis ang pasasalamat nila sa lahat ng nagmamahal at humahanga sa kanyang ina. At patuloy silang humihiling ng panalangin para sa ina.
We're grateful to everyone for loving her, for honoring her, and for the love. Actually, lahat po ng nagpapadala ng condolences and their greetings, we really appreciate that. Sa kanila din po kami kumukuha ng lakas, kaming magkakapatid.
Habang lumalaki, hindi raw kaila sa kanila kung gaano katanyag ang ina.
She's in the books at school, so how can we not know? People come and go sa bahay namin. Mga ilang bus ang dumadating para lang makita siya.
Kung meron daw siyang nais na maalala ng sambayan ng Pilipino sa kanyang ina.
As a person, a lot of people can testify on my mom's generosity. You know, hindi lang sa craft niya, kung hindi sa lahat ng bagay. And that's why she's really loved by plenty. Yung pagiging genuine niya and malambing niya sa lahat. The way she helps others also. Walang question yun. Kami, yung mga anak, we will just try our best, you know, we will never be able to match her work. No one will be able to match her work. She's the only superstar.